I'm Professor Joanna Wardlaw. I work at the University of Edinburgh. I am a clinical neuroradiologist by day. I'm a clinical researcher, and I'm also the clinical co-director of the Centre for Vascular Dementia Research. I work on vascular causes of brain disease, in particular what's now known as small vessel disease, which is a major cause both of stroke and of dementia. I'm primarily a clinical researcher. I study people. I'm very fortunate to have been able to study large numbers of people in observational studies and clinical trials. I use a number of techniques to try and understand more about what's going on in the brain, and we've been very fortunate in the last few decades to have increasingly powerful tools such as brain imaging with magnetic resonance imaging that really let you unpick what's going on. A while ago, based on our clinical studies and understanding more about what was going on in the brain from imaging studies, we started looking for existing drugs which might have modes of action that would be beneficial theoretically on the brain. So we identified a couple of drugs which looked as if they might have complementary modes of action to improve blood vessel function in the brain. There's been huge interest in this because it's the first time that there have been any hints that you might actually be able to reduce the long-term cognitive impacts, reduce the recurrent stroke impact, and reduce the dependency impact of small vessel disease.